Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook error codes. If Outlook is showing error codes not loading properly or behaving unexpectedly, there are a couple of simple troubleshooting methods you can try. In this walkthrough, we'll first focus on repairing the Outlook app through your computer settings, and then we'll look at a browser-based method that can help if the issue is happening in Outlook on the web. Begin by going to your desktop so you can access your computer normally. From there, open your computer's Settings. This is where you can manage apps and system options, including repair tools for programs that may not be working correctly. Once you're in Settings, click on Installed Apps. This section shows the applications currently available on your device. In the search bar, type Outlook so you can quickly find the app without scrolling through the full list. When Outlook appears, click the three-dot menu next to it. This menu gives you additional app management options. From there, choose Modify. Depending on your system, this may open a repair or maintenance window for Outlook or Microsoft Office. Next, scroll down until you see the repair option, and then click it. This step is useful because it can fix damaged files or settings that may be causing Outlook error codes. Let the repair process complete fully before closing anything. It's a good idea to avoid interrupting the process, since the repair works best when it can finish without interruption. If the problem still continues, another option is to use a VPN. This can sometimes help if the error is related to connection issues, regional restrictions, or a network route problem affecting Outlook access. If you try this method, connect to the VPN first and then test Outlook again. Now, if you're using Outlook in a browser, there's one more troubleshooting method to follow. In your browser with Outlook open, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. This opens your browser controls and settings area. From that menu, click Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security. In this section, choose the option for deleting browser history and related browsing data. Clearing this information can help remove outdated cache files, cookies, or corrupted session data that may be triggering Outlook errors in the web version. After clearing the browser data, reopen the browser and sign back into Outlook to check whether the issue has been resolved. If needed, repeat the steps carefully to make sure nothing was missed. That's the full process for fixing Outlook error codes using both the app repair method and a browser troubleshooting option.